Good afternoon guys, my name's Tom. I'm the manager here at Bentley's Camera House in Pacific 4 in Broadbeach. We thought we'd just do a very quick little vlog for you, for those of you who are on Instagram and anyone who's sort of looking to get into home business and working from home basically with online content. So very briefly, just going to run through a quick little few products that will really assist you in this area. So for those of you using mobile phones, most of the time obviously online content, we have an all-in-one kit, which is basically a ring light that holds the mobile phone in place and actually has an inbuilt microphone there as well on a freestanding device. It retails in $149, so really cheap and an inexpensive way to get you out on the online content. For those of you who have cameras already or who are looking to invest into cameras to get onto better online content as well, we've got everything to go with that. Obviously not just the cameras of course that we do, but we've also got LED panel systems to them. We have the full array of Rode microphones, which are absolutely awesome for your online video audio, so we can definitely help you there as well. This little piece you see here actually on my collar is a little receiver and is a microphone. It's a wireless Go system made by a company called Rode, for those of you who don't know the brand. The ability is that you can be up to 70 meters away, so it's a huge range of distance and completely free of the wires of course, to be able to do that. These retail at $299, they're available there too. Very lastly, if you get stuck with anything, please call us. We are open, so you can jump onto our website there as well, find our store. We are Broadbeach in Pacific Fair. We also own the Robina store and the 4 Brisbane stores as well, but obviously as Camera House is a national chain, you can jump online and have a look. For those of you who don't know the website of course, www.camerahouse.com.au. But please call us, we'll be more than happy to help you and get you all set up ready for when you're sort of stuck inside and working at home. Excellent guys, thanks very much, and keep tuned for further vlogs. Bye for now.